Oh. Nice.
What is that used for?
I have tall ceilings, Joe, up in my house.
It's like a COVID sex toy.
So I got a call from my friend Lisa, who I've known for a very long time. We became friends because our husbands were very, very good friends. She asked me to come over and take a look at her garage a couple of weeks ago, and I came over and I looked at her and I was like, she used to be such a neat freak. She used to go through my purse and organize my purse, and was so organized. She was like an OCD freak. So this is my friend Lisa.
Hi there, how are you? I don't like being on camera. Like if you had prepped me before, that would have been nice, okay?
And you know my husband, Mike. Mike's along on this job because I think there's gonna be a lot of hauling, right? She's got a lot of stuff to get rid of. She's got a lot of stuff to donate.
My garage got that way because I have 3 daughters. They all moved out about 7 years ago and left all their stuff from college. I kind of just gave up. Couldn't put my car in the garage at all during the winter and all that. The garage has been like this for 6 years. Biggest problem is that we have kids, and then for some reason they think like, oh, I'm moving to wherever for 5 years. Let me just store all of my stuff in your house.
We got a lot of stuff happening up there. We got a lot of stuff hidden back there that I've walked through with her already, and she doesn't know what's in here, so it's gonna be really fun. But Lisa wants to be able to get 2 cars in here,
Yes,
right?
exactly.
When's the last time you played with that, ping pong table behind you?
8 years ago.
Seriously?
How would I open it in here?
So you know what I think we should do? I usually put a table down the middle of a garage.
Okay.
And we start taking things out, laying it on the garage.
Can Mike lay on it?
I'll do a little expose.
Okay.
Director's chair here for Joe.
Really?
Oh
Sweet.
yeah.
You ever operated a camera? I can just sit back and hang out. And you can
Exactly.
film the
It's
whole
like
thing.
all most directors do.
That's a recycle bag. Is that recycle? What is that? These are the garbage bags. We're gonna put recycle on the white ones. Don't get all confused
I
at the
have
end.
you want.
The guy
I have the
comes to
big
pick it
white
up.
ones. You want me to put them in? This is going to be a long day. I got a little annoyed with Anita a couple of times. She was very bossy and wanted to try to tell me exactly what to do the whole day. And I said, okay, and then just didn't listen to her.
Do you want to
Did
keep
what's her
these?
name call you back? No,
I'm
I
sorry?
don't want to keep these.
Let's put these in the back of your car, and we'll go over with 2 cars and drop stuff off. Once I'm done, people can do whatever they want to do with their stuff, but Lisa was fighting me every step of the way. Like, I don't want that over there. And she had extension cords in a drawer over there and on a shelf over here.
Now, what's the process? We got everything off of these shelves.
We're going to go through everything that's on this table. What she wants to throw away, what she wants to keep, what she wants to donate. And then whatever she's keeping will be organized back on these shelves. And then we'll start attacking the other side of the room.
Turn it here. Open this side, too. Do you need a knife? Hold on.
Well, you're so bossy.
Nothing like watching 2 women struggle. All right, what's this?
That's
why I
crazy.
have-
This is Hawaiian Tropic oil that my husband, that's all he ever used. He was very dark, I gotta tell you, but that's so funny. One of my kids saved
We'd
that.
be going up
That's-
the chairlift to go skiing, and the sun would be bright, and Tommy would pull out his Hawaiian Tropic and start putting Hawaiian Tropic on his face.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, yeah. My husband and I, Tommy, we met when we were 17 years old. So I've been with him a long time. I got married at 21 in 1981. I lost Tommy on 9/11, and I have 3 beautiful girls. It was very difficult to raise them during that time on my own, and now they're all grown and away and healthy, thank God, and happy, and some married. And so that was a difficult time to be without Tommy.
Things can be, a little bittersweet. Like Lisa and my husband were on one side of the garage and they found all these old things of Tommy's.
Is that Jones Beach?
And his bathing suit.
No. Anita. We found a lot of stuff with Tommy, and he was a lifeguard at Jones Beach for many, many years, and we found his hat from Jones Beach, bathing suit, the umbrella from Jones Beach, all the stuff that really means a lot because that's when Tommy and I met. So that was a lot of great memories.
So we all worked, and Mark Morrell, the 3 of us worked at Jones Beach in Long Island together. We were lifeguards. We rented a house in Point Lookout, and we lived there for the summer together. And we had a lot of crazy stories, which I'm probably not supposed to be talking about on this tape, that's for sure.
Tommy, we call him at 7 a.m., what are you doing? And Tommy would be like, well, I already went surfing, I ran a triathlon, I went skiing, I went skeet shooting, he was a maniac, and he wasn't lying. If you call him that early and he told you he did all those things, he actually did. It was exhausting just hearing what he would do in the morning before we even had our first cup of coffee. That was Tommy.
I think it was a nice thing today to go, all of a sudden go, especially with Michael and Anita here, who knew Tommy very well, going through the different memories, the things that we found in the garage and stuff like that.
How are you feeling so far about this process?
I'm feeling really, really good, and Anita is so cooperative. I just have ever met anybody that, her and I have been arguing the whole time. Keep that, donate that, but no. I honestly look at this compared to what it was. I'm very excited. Anita, are you ready
Rapper
to
dapper.
finish all this stuff in here?
Rapper dapper, stopper do.
You want that, Joe? I have no idea what it is. Common Ground Edition, 144, thoughtful ways to bond with a fellow human. I'll give it to Anita. All right.
Oh.
I'm coming.
What do you think so far of your garage?
I think it is unbelievable. I recommend Heave Ho to anybody.
We heave ho.
I'm sorry. We Heave Ho. I'm so thrilled with the job that Anita did, and very exciting.
I give Mike some credit too.
Mike, if we didn't have Mike Devlin, then this would have never happened. And Joe, of course.
Yeah.
So I thank all of you.
Yeah, I watched, but that's what I do.
I thought the garage literally was going to take at least 2 days, at least 2 full days to do. Well, that did not happen. We got it all done in 3 hours, and now all I really want to do is get in my car and pull it into the garage. First time in garage in 6 years.
Pull it in.
Yay!
First time in 7 years.
Yes, sir.
Good girl, and there's room to spare.
All right, nice. Do it again. Look at this.
Nice.
Oh, I'm so excited. I can fit 2 cars in here.
Nice job.
Yeah.
You know where everything is, right?
Yes. I know where everything. That's Riley.
Come on,
Keep
get
that
in.
for little Riley.
Get in, I'll take you around the block. I really like going in and doing these kinds of jobs because it's something that you won't do on your own. And when you're doing it side by side with somebody else, whether it's your friend or it's not, it helps. I think it makes people feel better. And I like being a part of that. And I probably need to go home and do my own house now that I'm talking about this. Who's gonna help me? I don't know. It's gonna have to be my husband.